Alright guys, welcome back to this platform Prince TV. If your first time to come across, what you do now to subscribe to the platform so that you go to get our own updates anytime we upload a video. You'll see how it be so. Alright, since all this while we never go on the stories. Some things maybe like say still they happen for the streets, how things still they play. We miss this section of this part on this particular platform, but now we are still trying our best to make sure we anchor all the information so it be like say they happen so that our people and everybody will see how things still they play. Since all this while we have based on bonuses on the Redditor, Magenta and the rest, but at least at the time we have to still anchor and then still see what is happening in other areas. Now you get video like say the trend for everywhere, whereby Italian police try to kind of like bust some Nigerians, what be like say they for the Italian side. One guy like that and his friends, they bust their house, they harass, they do many things for that place. But according to the story, the guy when they explained for inside the video was stating that they were saying because they are doing a kind of like one or two things. Now go hear the story for the guy mouth. But why I bring this update come and also because now something like say concern us as brothers and sisters. When we like say we there for the country, if some things like this happen, we still need to come out, more can give our own point of view. If waiting the guy they talk, maybe say now read through, or if the police people come in form of harassment, like putting on allegation on this particular video, maybe like say I won't give an answer. Those of now when the something they happen for those areas for L'Aquila, una go let us know for the comment section. In time to Naso, I'll give you the video when I watch. Then if we come back, and I'll give you our own point of view.
Did you see what police people do in my house? Did you see what police people do in my house? Did you see what police people do in my house? Oh, frère, mais ton camion moule, hein? C'est tout ton camion moule, il va casser nos commerces. Et puis moi, je suis what police do in my house? This is the solution. The solution is the barriers. Give me what you see what police do in my house. Give me what you see what police do. Guarda, con la polizia. Guarda, che è successo?
Ieri questo lavoro stai a fare resistenza, sta facendo un po'.
Ah, poi?
Siamo troppo buoni.
Did you see what police do me?
Smettila di ripetere.
No, you're not stingy. Vattene! Only I go enjoy you.
You don't do now.
Please.
You don't
Give
do.
me what you see what police is doing in my house. I go enjoy you, the man. Get that. Give me what you see what police people is doing in my house. So this is what police people do in my house. This is what police people is doing in my house. So you see it. You people see it. Oh, you see what you see. Oh, what police is doing in my house. I don't know. We are not druggers. We are not anything. Oh, they came to my house. I video I did life. They came to my house. They started robbery. Oh, they started beating my friend. You people should see. Oh, Quanti Martina. They came to my house. They started robbery. Oh, they arrested my friend. You people should see. You people should see. Oh, you people should share this video. They want to kill they want to kill us in L'Aquila. We don't know what to do today. The people they are arresting, they say that they are Italian floods. Those people they don't know anything. Oh. Those people don't know anything. Italian police is lying. L'Aquila police is lying. They want to kill us. We don't know what we did to them. Oh, they are you to tutti. Oh, Mona Cosi. Oh, Italian police. What did they do us? We don't know. Oh, Mona see. Oh, Mona see. This is what they are doing now, so we don't know what you did to Italian police, so they want to kill us, so yes, they want to kill us, so they say we are computer fraud. We don't know anything about computer, oh. We don't know anything about fraud, oh. We are just the ones suffering ourselves, manage you. They want to kill us. You people should come, oh. You people should come and see. You people should see, oh. They came to my house this morning. They beat my brother up. They beat me up. They started fighting us. They are telling us to come to Questora. We don't know what to do to Italian police people. You people should help, oh. Italian. If you are not in Nero again, more than talk. Italia, no for Nero. devi sfrigare, io non sono bugiato, io non so cosa devi fare, io non sono droga, io non so cosa vuoi. Guarda tutti, guarda. When they see there, police people, this early money to my house.
They don't carry and go, you don't do.
This early money, oh, they carry my friend. They beat him up, they fight him. We don't know what they want, oh. We don't know what Italian police people want. I don't know. We don't know what the Italian police want, oh. Io non lo so cosa ha bisogno l'Italia polizia di Italia. Sempre rompere a casa mia. Io non sono giocato. Io non conosco gente.
Ever call lawyer, me you went down. Ah.
You people to show.
Another thing for years.
I know that our video. I got everything for video. You people can see there. They don't beat my guy finish. They don't have for grand. They pour up for here. They carry a come out. We don't know what Italian police they find for our house. We don't know what they find for our house. They will carry camera go they lie. They will carry camera go people house go they lie. They don't tell the people are fraud. When the people don't even know anything. The people don't know why. They don't know too. So Italian police they will carry camera go they will go they lie. Though they let the people that drug addicts, though they let the people that computer fraud, people when they would know where to lead them for phone, talk less of laptop. Person will not even get laptop for us. They'll call they'll begin a lie. I mean they talk solution. Mona see, Italian police, oh, we don't know what we do there. Yes, so we don't know what we do Italian police. Yes, so this is what they do every time. Last time they lie against some people in L'Aquila. They say the people are computer fraud. They are not computer fraud, though. The people don't know anything. The people Italian police arrest me. They don't know anything. They came to my house this morning to come and beat my friend. They beat him. They beat me. They carry a command. Mona see, oh. Mona see. Yes, so Italian police. We don't know what we do there. We don't know what we do Italian police. We don't know what we do Italian police. Everything they say about L'Aquila is a lie. Everything they say about L'Aquila is a lie. Now me they talk solution. I they talk at this morning. Everything with Italian police they say about L'Aquila is a lie. People who do L'Aquila, now so sure that they do. They don't get work. Few way get work. They don't see like they work. That's why they do sort for money tonight. Monday to Saturday. Oh, next month tonight they make they go show on Sunday. They put up a motor, they say like computer flood. They don't see anything for inside a room. They don't see anything for inside a room, oh. They come, they arrest us. They say Ben like computer fraud. Ben, when they will delete your laptop. Person when don't know where delete today for laptop. You don't know delete for laptop. That boy don't know delete for laptop. Now me they talk this morning. Italian police came to my house. They disturb us. They do us yeah. Because they will be black. All the lie where they don't lie for L'Aquila. Where Coco News carry. Now lie. They don't do anything.
He wants to see how many of them. They can't go because they tell me say, there are many come. Let's you go push and then you want to push to come out. Let me come say, you want to shoot me? Let me come here and say, you shoot me now.
They want to shoot my brother this morning. They want to kill us. They can't go our house. They threaten us. Who here now go to say L'Aquila na waka bad city? See the L'Aquila not even day. Now poor city, the poorest city in the whole Italy. See, na so rock, so bush. Everywhere na you 0 over 100. Yeah. They will come. They will come and disturb people when they're L'Aquila. It doesn't say they wear fine clothes. It doesn't say if they eat you don't feel a gauge. You don't feel a fine. They go owe you. They'll say it's computer fraud or it's a drug. That is what the L'Aquila police is doing. L'Aquila police is fraud. L'Aquila police is corrupt.
They're still there. Only God know whether they come, they follow and they drag for them.
So that is just the video which you guys just watched now. So maybe let me know what you think about this incident. If what it is a policeman, if what it do be like say it makes sense, maybe let me know. But for me, I don't think it's right that way to harass people for their hacks like that. If I thought they have to be arrested, I think it should be in a calm way. But I feel still maybe all those guys, they still prove stubborn or try to kind of like react, because Italian police, once you start to they kind of like try to react over them, that is when they take action over such person. So man, let me know what you think about this particular incident will happen. If it makes sense that way, I need your opinion. Man, let us know how it did happen, because all these things we have to check into protocols. Most see how things did happen to our brothers and sisters when we like say that they for the Italian side. So guys, let me know what you think. If you there for the place where the incident for they happen, give us more details if what these guys are really saying is true or not, because you know police not go fit just come to bust in house like that without any information or something this up, you understand? So that is why we the black when they for the countryside, most especially the Nigerians, we have to take things easy. We have to use our brain. We have to have this mindset that this country is not our country, you understand? So things what we're gonna do, we're gonna put wisdom, you understand? So that is just it. So let me know what you think about the updates. Till next time again we meet together. Ciao.